Hi, I'm Luke. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the DeWALT DCS380 reciprocating saw. I'll cover what's in the box and first impressions, who this tool is for, how you can find the best price, some of the popular alternatives, and the warranty information. A reciprocating saw is one of the most versatile tools that you can have in your box as a homeowner. It's good for everything from cutting tree branches to copper pipes to framed lumber, even if it has nails in it. With the variety of blades available to you, you can cut through wood, metal, and even stone. Here are 3 quick tips for using your reciprocating saw. First, change the blades often. They're considered disposable depending on the job, and if you use an old blade, it won't cut properly. Second, wear safety equipment. That means eyes, ears, and hands, especially if you're engaging in a demolition project. Third, make sure you always use 2 hands when using the reciprocating saw, as it's a famous saw for kickback. The reciprocating saw has been around since 1951, so all of the major tool manufacturers will carry at least a few models. You can generally go corded or cordless. These days, the cordless options are just as good as the corded in terms of power. You'll find them offered by Ryobi, Milwaukee, Skill, Porter Cable, Black & Decker, and more. The price for a good reciprocating saw generally ranges between $100 and $300. You can expect to find good deals, particularly on Black Friday or around the holiday season. One of the first things you should do when you pick up a new tool is register it online to make sure that you can take advantage of the warranty. A handy tip for finding warranty information on DeWALT tools is that it's usually printed right on the box. You can see here that the DCS380 has a 3-year limited warranty that covers manufacturer defects, a 1-year free service warranty, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. And that's even if you've used the tool and you just aren't happy with the performance. What I like to do is schedule a review of my tools about 11 months after purchase so I can make sure I don't need to take advantage of that 1-year free service. To take advantage of the warranty or free service for almost any tool, it's best to call the manufacturer directly, and they'll put you in touch with a local distributor or service center. This tool didn't come with a battery, but since it's part of the 20 volt max collection, it's pretty easy to find these, so you can even find them used. It attaches just like any other battery would, and off you go. What's nice about this tool is that right here by your thumb, you've got a nice trigger lock. You can see there's a little bit of a red mark here that indicates that it's unlocked. If you push that in, that will engage the safety for you, and undo it, and you're ready to go. You can see the brace here has some movement. It's designed this way so that you can place your tool against a surface so you can flush cut. And that just helps provide stability when you're cutting. To change the blades, you simply lift up this tab right here, and on the inside you can see a mechanism will release the blade. To install a new one, you would click it in here. Now this tool in particular has 4 potential blade positions. You can cut up, down, left, or right, which is quite useful and adds to the versatility. It's got a good amount of weight, feels like it's good quality. You certainly wouldn't want to use it with one hand, especially considering the distance. Here, it's got a nice grip, top, the bottom, and even the battery adds a nice weight to the back, which gives it a really good balance. So overall, it feels like good quality, and I'm looking forward to using it. Hopefully that gives you a good overview of the DeWALT DCS380 reciprocating saw, as well as a few tips about reciprocating saws in general. If this video added value for you, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button, and you can subscribe if you want more content. Why don't you leave your review of your reciprocating saw in the comments below?